outside in the house with these humans whose voices are in the background. I don't know if you can see me because I don't know anything.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today, what we're doing?
I'm making a skirt out of scrap. Okay, remember my last video where I had like lots of jeans? I still have them.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna make a skirt out of it. Shut up! Okay, so first I'm going to cut out the pattern from this muslin fabric because I don't have lots of paper at home since we're in quarantine. So I'm going to cut it out from this dot to dot paper.
Why?
And then you're going to see what I'm going to do.
Why?
But I really don't have what I want in mind yet.
Why?
Because it's easier to just cut here since I'm doing like a whole patch quilt thingy. Okay guys, so I decided to speed through this part of the video because I already have a video on how to cut and sew a straight skirt on my channel. So I'm just going to link it here so you can go watch it if you haven't watched it before. Okay, so I've cut out the skirt and next thing I'm going to do is to draw the lines. Okay, so all I did for this part was I just drew random lines that connected to each other, and if you notice on the top part I took out the dot from that part, so I'll be cutting out the dot. Then I decided to name my pattern pieces just so I don't get confused. Okay, so let me bring this up close so I show you what I did. I included NA means no allowance, SA means same allowance. So I'm going to have to add allowance to those parts that have SA and not allowance to the parts that have NA. So mostly just the corners that has the NA thingy on it. And that's the back. I just need one piece since I'm cutting double of it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to go cut out the denim and show you guys. Okay guys, so this is what I've been able to achieve so far. I was able to cut out the denim, and so next thing I'm going to do is piece this together. I'm going to sew it together and then overlock it. So basically what I'm doing in this clip is sewing two of the patch together and then using the overlocking machine to overlock it so it gives it a neat finish. You're going to see how it looks at the end. Okay, so I'm done with the back and this is what it looks like sewn. So now let's join the fronts. And that's what the front looks like. So we have 3 pieces, 2 for the back and 1 for the front. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my zipper right here and stitch this close and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I fixed the zipper right here. It needs fixing. And then I started getting all these crazy ideas. So I think I'm going to add a pocket or 5. I think just one pocket's going to be fine right there. I'm going to go ahead and stitch that. So the pocket is fixed, and now I'm just going to flip this over like this and sew the sides. Okay, so I joined the front to the back, and now I'm just going to fold this over by about 2 inches. The skirt is taking shape and I'm so loving what it's turning out to be. That's the front and this is the back. It has a pocket right there. So I'm going to fix a waistband or a facing. I'm still thinking, but I'll show you guys the end result. I'm so excited. So this is what the skirt turned out to be. I absolutely love this skirt and I'll probably make more for myself with different fabrics. But if you'd like to see a video on the face mask, that's going to be the next video I'll be posting. And I'm also going to post a video on how to style the skirt in different ways. So stay tuned to my channel and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.